this is EasyTV, the coolest kids channel. It's bubbling over with super duper kids toys. And today we're back at Canterlot High with the Equestria
Mini Dolls!
Mini Dolls! And guess who's joining them today? It is
Palace Pets.
the Palace Pets! Pinky, do you want to introduce these super cute Palace Pets?
Uh-huh. So this is Fairy. It's Snow White's cute little bunny rabbit.
Pinky, bring her over so we get a good look at her because she's very pretty. Oh, she's lovely. Who's next?
Dreamy. She's a cute little cat from Aurora.
She's lovely. Bring her a wee bit closer to see her, get a good look at her. Oh, she's so pretty. Who's this little chap?
Her name is called Treasure.
Who does she belong to?
Ariel.
Oh, so pretty.
And she likes a bubble bath.
What is she?
A kitty cat.
Oh.
She likes...
Oh, this one's so cute. Look at this one. Is this the boy?
Yes.
And what is his name?
Sultan.
Oh, he's just so pretty. And
His name remembers Salt.
Who does Sultan belong to?
Jasmine.
Princess Jasmine. And who's this pretty girl? I think I can guess.
Pumpkin.
And does it belong to, let me see, Cinderella?
Yes.
She's a cutie pie.
It's a dog.
Hi guys.
Meow.
Are we here for the party today?
Yep.
And whose birthday party is it, guys? Oh, I see you've all got your party crowns on. And here comes Pinky with the balloons.
Da, 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 da.
Hey Pinky, those balloons are so cute. But Pinky, hey, I think one of your balloons, they're going down. Oh no, listen to the, oh no. Oh my goodness, well, it doesn't matter. Oh, well, it was such a nice thought anyway, Pinky. It doesn't really matter if it just makes that funny noise. Okay, we're just waiting on Twilight bringing the lovely cakes and buns for Treasure's birthday party. And I just wanted to let you all see. Do you remember in one of our last videos we said about the custom table? Well, there's Pinky's table all finished and ready for the party. Let's get it decorated, guys.
Look, everybody, it's Twilight with the cake. Hip hip hooray!
Hi, guys. Everybody ready to sing?
Yay!
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you, Treasure. Happy birthday to Treasure. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Yeehaw! Treasure.
I hope you enjoyed your little presents and your cake, Treasure. I think one of your friends took a piece before we even started.
Oh my goodness me. It's okay, it's okay. Don't worry, don't worry. It's fine, it's fine. Everything's fine. We're gonna have a super time at this birthday party, guys. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed our new video. If you want to get in touch, it's easytv@gmail.com. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you liked our video. And subscribe!